Hi folks, and welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. I'm making this video here to again go through some examples of the algebra of functions here and talk about domains and ranges. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the sum of two functions, the difference, the product, and the division, one divided by another, for this pair of functions. So this reads square root of x minus 4, and then g is equal to minus x. So let us begin. All right, so f plus g is the sum of these two functions, square root of x minus 4 plus a negative x. I'm just going to go ahead and put minus x. Okay? Nothing really to simplify here. Let's talk domains. So remember, domain, start by assuming all real numbers unless you see a problem. There are no division by zeros here, but there is a square root. So if you're going to take the square root of this thing has to be positive. So what we can do is we can write an inequality statement stating such that x minus 4 has to be greater than or equal to 0. And a quick little solution of this means x has to be greater than or equal to 4. So there's our domain. X has to be bigger than 4. You can put 5 into this, you're fine. You can put 10, 100 in, but if you put 2 into this, right, you get square root of negative 2 there, which you can't do. So 2 is not in the domain of this function. Neither is 0 or negative 1 or 5, only these values. All right, let's take a look at f minus g. So f minus g, right, that's going to be square root of x minus 4. Now when we go minus a minus x, we'll end up with plus x. 4. Domain, same thing goes. X greater than or equal to 4, same reasons. F times g, that's going to be square root of x minus 4 times x. And again, that x is not inside that radical. We might want to put that in parentheses. Again, this square root thing, if you're going to square root this has to be positive. So again, the x greater than or equal to 4, same reasons as before. All right, f over g, that's going to be square root of x minus 4 over negative x. All right, now we got a couple things going on. First, this has to be greater than or equal to 0, x minus 4 has to be greater than or equal to 0, and that yields this x greater than or equal to 4. But we have a division by 0 to consider. Because this is in the bottom, x cannot be allowed to be 0, right? But that's already covered here. So I think we're good. There's our domain for all of these functions, all right? So I hope this video helps a little bit with the algebra of functions. Have a great day.